Hey there! Are you looking to transfer your voice memos to the Files app on your iPhone? It's a great way to keep your recordings organized and share them effortlessly. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Save a single voice memo to Files. First, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Then, find and select the recording you would like to transfer. After that, tap the three dots icon located next to the recording. Now, choose Save to Files from the menu that appears. Next, select the folder or location in the Files app where you want to save the memo. Then, tap Save. Solution 2. Save multiple voice memos to Files. Start by opening the Voice Memos app. Then, tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen. After that, select each recording you want to transfer by tapping the circle next to each one. Tap the Share icon, which looks like a square with an upward arrow, at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Save to Files from the Share options. Finally, choose the location in the Files app where you want to save the selected voice memos. Then, tap Save. Solution 3. Save voice memos to iCloud Drive in Files. First, open the Voice Memos app. Then, select the recording you wish to transfer. After that, tap the three dots icon next to the recording. Now, choose Save to Files and select iCloud Drive as the location if you want the memo to be accessible across all your Apple devices. Next, tap Save to complete the transfer. By following these steps, you'll quickly and efficiently transfer your voice memos to the Files app on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and keep an eye out for our next video.